Most people use ChatGPT to get answers, but the ones who get results use it to rehearse. Right now, before your next difficult conversation, you could pull up ChatGPT, type out the situation, and walk away with the exact words to use, practiced, polished, and ready. That's not a fantasy, that's a Tuesday morning. And once you see how this works, you'll never go into an awkward conversation unprepared again. Here's what most people miss about ChatGPT tips for communication. It's not just a search engine. It's a practice partner that never judges you. Say you've got to push back on your boss about a deadline. You're nervous, you don't want to seem difficult, you don't even know how to start the sentence. Open ChatGPT and type something like, "Help me find a calm, professional way to tell my manager I need more time on this project without sounding like I'm making excuses." What comes back isn't just advice, it's actual language you can use, real sentences. Then you can go back and say, "Make it warmer," or "shorter please," and it adjusts. You're not just thinking about the conversation anymore, you're building it. Try different versions until one feels like you. That's when confidence stops being something you have to fake. Okay, so this one is quietly one of the best free ChatGPT tricks out there, and almost nobody talks about it. Write your email, your message, your speech draft, however rough, and then paste it into ChatGPT with this prompt. "Here's something I wrote. Can you help me make it sound more confident without changing my voice or adding corporate language?" That last part matters. Without it, ChatGPT sometimes turns your warm, human message into something that sounds like a press release. Be specific about what you want. What you get back is still yours. It just has the hesitation scrubbed out. Words like "I was just wondering if maybe" become "I'd like to discuss." You still sound like you, just a cleaner version. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. This works for emails, texts, LinkedIn messages, performance reviews. Basically anywhere words matter, which honestly is everywhere. This one takes about 90 seconds and it's genuinely kind of wild. Paste something you wrote or describe something you're planning to say and ask ChatGPT, how might this land with someone who's stressed or on the defensive? What tone does this give off? What you get back is essentially a second opinion from a patient, emotionally intelligent reader who has no stake in the outcome. No awkward conversation with a friend, no second guessing whether they're just being nice. ChatGPT for beginners especially, and this is huge, because a lot of confident communication isn't about being louder or more assertive. It's about knowing how your words are being received before you send them. That gap between what you meant and what someone heard is where most communication breaks down. This trick helps close it. You can even say, "Now rewrite it to feel less confrontational," and watch it reshape in real time. That's how to use AI in a way that actually changes your day. If there's one thing worth holding on to from all of this, it's that confidence in conversation isn't a personality trait. It's a skill. And like any skill, you get better at it when you practice. ChatGPT just makes the practice available at 11 p.m. when you're anxious about tomorrow's meeting and there's no one to call. Start with one thing, one email, one message, see what it does. Tomorrow we're getting into something really specific. The ChatGPT prompt that fixes any awkward message before you hit send. If you've ever stared at a draft thinking, "This is wrong, but I don't know why," that one's for you. If this video helped, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.